Hey guys, we received this Pupka laser cap for test and try. So this cap have a blue light and a red light that can be used on your hair as a cap, and then this provide the effect of blue or the red light. So this comes in a really nice gift box, so you can also gift it to someone, and then you can see the hat here. So this is the power or the regulator thing, and then this the hat with inbuilt LED lights to provide the red light and the blue light, and this have a covering on the top. So this is the plastic cap, and then there is a fabric cap on the top. So give you the effect. So as I can see, this really comes in a really nice box. So let me just connect this. So this have a power adapter that you can use. So this is a 635 to 650 nanometer red light wavelength, and the blue light is a 465 to 470 nanometer light. So let me just connect this. After connecting, you can see um, just put in the power and then a long press and just started this one. So as it started, you can see the timer is coming here. So you can choose from blue or the red light. There is a word like blue for the B for the blue or for the red. You can switch the lights here and then press the on and off button. So see the blue light is on, and then you can switch it to the red. The timer is on and off. That depends. So it may take me a little bit time to adjust, but you can set up the time, and then you can come to the R red light. You can see the red light here. So it have multiple LEDs to give a overall coverage, and then for the blue light you can see it here. So it's a one-click operation, and is a great thing. So this fits really well on the head, so it will not fall. And this also comes with that string thing that you can use. You can also wash the top cover. So this is fitting from the sides, from the things well, and you see the blue light is on. So you can see the blue light from the corners that coming. So this is actually a nice thing. The timer is on, so this will auto shut after that particular time. So this is the red light, as you can see, is coming or covering the hair. Nice one.